Ready? One.
Max has got a fly on this here. No, inside.
Look, Fred here. Hi guys! This is Fred. He's eating right now. Welcome back again to another video. Today we are going outside.
You tell me not to do that. Do not play.
You guys are both peeing.
That's what they wanted to do.
Let me go first. Hi guys! So that's our Blackberry.
Look at these ones. Holy.
Hi boys! Hi Max! Stay there. Hi! Show them that you're handsome. Show them. He's hiding from me, guys.
What? I'm gonna lock this gate up here and then we'll go in.
Hi Max, you need to be handsome. Show them that you're a handsome boy. Fred, your color is like the shed color. Hi boys. See, Max really likes to be on the video. Be a handsome boy, guys. Be a handsome boy. So that's Fred, guys, and that's Max. Max is being a show off right now. Share, huh? You're very dirty naman. What about you, Fred? Oh, Max likes that because it's quite cold. Hello. Close your mouth. Just let him have it. You guys need to learn how to share each other, huh? Max? Fred? Hi, Fred. You're a handsome naman. That's Fred, guys. What you doing right there? Wow, you have two balls. Just stay. Look at him, guys. He's very sneaky. Just stay. Guys, it's quite windy, guys.
They like this, just like sort of walking around. We don't need to be going far. Don't need to be crazy active. They just like it. He puts on a show.
Over there in the bottom. There in the bottom, guys. Come on. Wait, Daddy. Okay, guys. We're going here in the bottom, guys.
Above the dog poops.
Let's go, let's go. Go, continue. Did you clean up here, Daddy? Hi. Fred! Oh, I like that, Daddy. Oh.
Gotta be shooting this way. You wanna see them? What?
Those are ready, guys. We're going to harvest that and eat that one. Okay, it's very big. There's more over there. Oh. All of these guys are blackberries. And here's our puppy. Boys, are you ready to harvest a blackberry?
Here, I got a prime one for you to eat.
Hi, boys. Are you boys ready to harvest a blackberries pretty
Who wants a
soon?
blackberry? Here, Max. Yummy, huh? Give him another.
Oh, this is very nice video, Daddy. Oh. So, guys, time check. I think it's already 6 o'clock in the evening. Still very sunny, guys, as you can see. Oh, the sun. Guys, look at our blackberry. It's so big, guys. So all this black, it's ready to be harvested, guys.
Show them all of that.
I know, I already showed them.
There's a lot.
Guys, I'm eating blackberries right now.
Almost all the way under the gate.
Max? That's our blackberries. That's so perfect. Look at the two boys, guys. Hi, Max. Hi, Fred. They're in the bottom. Where are you guys?
Where's the ball, huh?
Come back. Come on.
Max, where's the ball?
Guys, we have so many woods here. It's ready for winter.
Get the ball.
Bye. Fred. Faster, boys. Faster.
There you go. Drop it. Ed? Where's the other ball?
Find the other bowl, guys.
I smell their shits. Is it their remote?
Okay, come closer.
He's got a fly.
Ready?
Get the fly.
1.
Max has got a fly on his ear. His eye.
Look, Fred, here. Okay, sit. Look at Daddy, oh.
His lip. Too.
I don't like that. I don't like that, Daddy. Ready? 1. Go get it, Fred! What is it?
Come on.
Get it! Wait, Daddy, wait, Daddy. Are you guys having a good time? Hi guys, this is Max. He likes doing that.
Chewing.
Chewing. He's having a good time.